This is Math 142, Practice Test 1. This is question number 5. And we're supposed to find the exact value of the 6 trig functions of this angle theta right here. And so what I will do, first off, is I know my x value. It's just right there. It's -1. I know my y value. It's right there. It's 4. I'm just thinking about, that's a terrible line. I'm just thinking about how, that's a little bit better. This is a right triangle right here, where this side's -1, this side's 4. So I can figure out the radius, Pythagorean theorem, 4 squared, plus that -1 squared, and then I'm going to square root it. 4 squared is 16, 1 squared is 1, 16 plus 1 is 17. So the radius is square root of 17. So now I know the 3 sides of my triangle. So now, and I got to keep track of my sign here with x. So now I can do these values: sine of theta, cosine of theta, tangent of theta. Notice I don't know the measure of theta. I just don't know it. But what I can do is using these relationships, I can find what the trig functions of it are. So sine of theta, I don't like that cosecant. Sorry. Sine of theta, I know that sine is y over r. So let's see. My sine value here is, my y value here is 4. My radius is square root of 17. And I can rationalize that denominator. Multiply by that. So I get 4 root 17 over 17. Cosine is x over r, -1 over root 17. If I rationalize that, that's going to be negative root 17 over 17. And then tangent is just y over x, so 4 over -1 equals -4. It's getting sloppy. And so then, off of these values now, I can do my cosecant, secant, and tangent. So, and those are just reciprocals of all these. So, whoops, not tangent, cotangent. So cotangent is tangent flipped over. So that'll be -1/4. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so flip it over. It'll be negative root 17 over 1, which is just negative root 17. And then cosecant is sine flipped over, so it will be square root of 17 over 4. Look at that. Good looking 4.